This reading is about the next 10 days for Cancer. It's about noticing shifts that are already happening quietly. Some changes may feel small, but they set up bigger results. This is not about forcing anything or worrying about control. It's about seeing where your energy can flow naturally. If you've been feeling stuck or unsure, this reading will help you notice what you can release and what deserves your focus. The first card shows what you no longer need to carry. You may have been holding stress, worry, or responsibility that isn't yours. This card says it's time to stop. You've been overthinking situations or trying to fix things that are outside your control. That habit has drained you, and this card shows relief is coming. You may feel lighter when you let go. Things that seemed urgent may start resolving themselves. The card reminds you that your worth isn't tied to controlling everything. You don't need to fix moods, projects, or people all the time. By letting go, you make space for clarity and focus. Practically, pause before reacting. Ask yourself, is this mine to handle, or can I let it be? If it's not yours, release it. This small shift will save energy and bring calm. The second card shows what you no longer need to fix in relationships. You may have spent time over-explaining yourself, calming others, or holding space for emotions that aren't yours. This card says it's okay to step back. People will adjust when you stop over-giving, and that's healthy. It may feel uncomfortable at first. Some people might react or seem distant. That's normal. This is about balance, not abandonment. You are learning to protect your energy instead of carrying everything on your shoulders. This card also reminds you that some connections do not need fixing. They need boundaries. Stop trying to make one-sided relationships work. When you step back, you see clearly who is willing to meet you halfway and who isn't. Practically, this card asks you to notice where your energy leaks. Protect your time and attention. Focus on people who support you and align with your path. The third card shows what you no longer need to fix in your mindset. For days, you may have replayed mistakes, doubted decisions, or worried about outcomes. This card says your thinking has done enough. Overanalyzing doesn't solve anything. It just drains energy. You are allowed to stop obsessing over what-ifs. The answers will come in time. This card reminds you that clarity often arrives when you step back. When your mind relaxes, solutions and opportunities appear naturally. It also shows confidence returning. Trust that your instincts are enough. You don't need to plan every step. Your natural sense will guide you if you allow it. Practically, take breaks from overthinking. When anxious thoughts arise, acknowledge them and let them go. This will give your mind room to see things clearly. The fourth card shows what begins shifting when you release control. Small opportunities start appearing. A chance conversation, a new idea, or a minor decision may lead to bigger outcomes. These changes are subtle but powerful if you notice them. You may feel unsure whether to act, but this card says, pay attention to your intuition. Even small actions now can create momentum. The key is awareness, not force. It also reminds you that life moves faster when you aren't trying to manipulate every detail. By letting go, the universe can move for you, and events unfold more smoothly. Practically, note what small choices or opportunities appear. Act where you feel naturally drawn, and let the rest flow. The fifth card shows where energy gets freed up. When you stop overfixing, your focus returns to what matters most. Creativity, motivation, and calm come back. You feel less scattered and more capable of handling what truly needs attention. You may notice your body feels lighter, stress and tension ease, your mental space clears. This is not magic. It's the result of letting go and redirecting your energy wisely. This card also shows the importance of boundaries. Saying no or stepping back isn't selfish. It's practical. Energy is limited, and protecting it allows better results in the next 10 days. Practically, make a small list of what deserves attention and what can be ignored. Focus on what adds progress and peace. The sixth card shows what becomes easier for you. Decisions feel clearer. You stop doubting or asking for validation. Life feels lighter because you are no longer caught in cycles of overfixing. You may notice smoother communication, relationships, work, and daily tasks feel manageable. This card shows that calm comes from trusting yourself and the process. It also highlights that once you stop forcing, solutions arrive naturally. You attract alignment instead of chasing it. Life responds to presence, not stress. Practically, trust your gut. Choose the calm option when faced with decisions and notice how ease guides your next steps. The seventh card shows what you can now focus on. With scattered energy gone, you can invest in things that truly matter: projects, health, relationships, or personal growth. This card emphasizes practical action instead of worry. You may feel motivation returning, ideas flow, steps that seemed heavy now feel achievable. This is the effect of focusing on essentials and letting go of noise. It also shows momentum building. One small step now can set off positive changes that compound over the next days. Your energy creates results when it's directed wisely. Practically, prioritize. Spend time on what moves your life forward and brings calm. Less is more, and this card proves it. The eighth card shows the message from Spirit. You don't need to fix everything. Life isn't about constant correction. Your role is to notice, respond, and release what isn't yours. This brings freedom and growth. You are allowed to stop being the problem solver for everything. Strength is knowing when to act and when to let go. You are growing by trusting the process and yourself. Spirit reminds you that change often comes from small steps and small releases. What seems minor now may trigger major shifts if handled with awareness. Practically ask, what am I holding that doesn't need my energy? Step back, focus on what matters, and allow the rest to unfold naturally. If this reading helped, like and share so it reaches the right people. For a full 2026 personal forecast covering money, career, mindset, relationships, and life lessons, I'm offering it for $155. Affirmation for Cancer. I release what I cannot control. I focus my energy on what truly matters. I trust the small choices I make today lead to big positive changes.